What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Nissan Sentra Smart Key Remote Fob. This Nissan Sentra key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using is a flathead screwdriver. So the first thing we want to do is grab our key fob and we're going to remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this release on the back that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will pull out like that. Then I'm going to hold the key fob with the buttons facing down, and if we take a look at the bottom of it, we see there's these two notches, one right here and one right here. So what I'm going to do is take my screwdriver and I'm going to put it in that notch like that, and you want to make sure that the blade of your screwdriver fits in that notch. And then once I have it in there like that, I'm just going to rotate the screwdriver, twist it like that. And then once it's started, you can pull it the rest of the way apart with your hands. And in the back half of our case, we see our battery right here. And if you grab your screwdriver in this holder, you can kind of see this one part has a little cutout right here. You can get under the edge of the battery, get it out of that holder. Then I'll grab the new battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side down. And you can see the part here has this little metal piece. That's the edge I'm going to kind of tuck in first and then snap it down into place. Then I'll snap the two halves back together, slide my emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.